Vanakkam friends, good morning. Started session in a unique time because I was thinking that whether my WhatsApp is having any issues, kind of stuff, or whatever it may be, but nothing is like that. Yeah, just give me a minute. I will post the link in our Telegram channel and then come back. Okay. I have posted the link. Now let's see how market is progressing. And first of all, thanks to all the members who have joined the McDowell's challenge. We are going to do it live for next 26 weeks, starting this week. Earlier we have completed 1 week and it has ended with profits. After 26 weeks, we will see how is the results. Okay. Good morning, Madhav. Good morning, Shrikant. Yeah, we have been sitting quiet since morning. I have given just only one pair trade to my premium members because we want to see either 16,000 to come or 16,200 to come. So that's the reason we are sitting quiet. In between, it is not wise to trade. As per charts, 16,150 is looking good. Call option is looking good, but we have picked it very early, not at current market price. Metals, like we said 2 days back, there will be a dead cat bounce kind of stuff in metals. It exactly performs like, I mean, moves like that. Yesterday everything was bleeding by this time. Today everything has turned. But still not convinced about the metals rally. Metals in the sense I am speaking about the commodities, not the um, metal stocks which are available in our markets. Let me open my other stuff. Commodities links first. Yesterday, actually speaking, we have taken crude at very good level, 7,605. Unfortunately, it went and hit our stop loss just by 10 points on the downside, and then flew. Crude, actually speaking, is consolidating today. It could go in any direction, but as per charts, it's showing that it is going to go up. Now I am ready with my commodities stuff. Let me figure out whether something else. Worked in couple of good calls. Mindtree 3000 call, Kotak Mahindra 1700 call, HDFC Bank 1380 call, HDFC 2200 call, LTTS alone failed. Now things are looking good from bull standpoint. Good morning, Ravi. Hope Madhav and Ravi had done good calls yesterday. Any of the nifty calls which we have given, 15800 or 16100 or 1600, whatever it may be, because I very well know that you both are part of our premium group. Harshit, I have purchased 16100 put at 100. Bro, it is a now, Nifty now is in no trade zone. I will not take any trades. Nifty has resistance around 16,147 to 180. Only if it crosses this level, it will move on the higher side. If not, it will definitely come back. But today is a expiry day. I will not take a risk of take a risk of 100 points on an expiry day. Because if 16,147 is crossed, definitely we could see 16,220, 200 at least. Only from there we can expect a fall. But on the other hand, if it's not crossed and if it drops below 16,050, then we will definitely see 16,000. That's why I said my members that Keep quiet until you see 16,000 or 16,200. I would not take such big risk on expiry day. 100 points is too much. 100 points is 5,000 rupees approximately. Now, if Nifty takes out 16,200, then we can see fantastic move in coming days. Coming days in the sense, coming weeks, not by tomorrow itself, but coming weeks. Remember, Fed meet is during third week of July. Everybody is expecting a 50 to 75 basis points hike. If it comes to 50 basis points, then markets will surge. If it goes to 75 basis points again, then markets will crack. So that's the major event which we are about to see in. And barring that, result season starts from tomorrow. TCS comes up with results tomorrow after market hours. Reaction will be on a Monday. Actually speaking, 2 days before I was in a position to give TCS result based call, but unfortunately I haven't given it. It was to buy futures around 3205 levels and hedge it with the 3100 put at 45 rupees. Actually speaking, futures has moved 90 rupees and the options has cracked 20-25 rupees as of now. Would have been a fantastic one if I would have given it, but unfortunately I haven't given it. People, if you have any queries, you may ask. I will try to answer your queries. McDowell's open was the high couple of minutes before. Now it has taken the open high and trading just one or two rupees below that higher end. Reliance is the culprit and Bajaj Finance is the culprit for today. Both these are dragging markets, but the helping hands is from all other sectors. HUL, Britannia, Divis, L&T, Infi, TCS, Eicher, Maruti, M&M, everything is in green actually. It's like sea of green. Let me see where is DLF. DLF 336 must have moved here. Oops. I was seeing this at 4 rupees yesterday. Yeah, I was in an intention to buy if it comes to 2.5 as hero or zero. One day chart. Actually speaking, Reliance is trying to bounce back. Let me give one thing. Reliance July futures. Reliance 2460 call. Nifty futures versus spot has turned premium marginally. Nifty actually is not able to take the highs, right? Guys, in between, if you have any questions, please do ask me. Infy 15600 call at this level because TCSs are coming and Nifty IT is at all time low. So I think if results are in line, then also we will see up more. You are asking whether to buy Infosys 1560 call at current level. I would say no because I am a kind of person who takes trades before it gives confirmation. 2 days before we must have taken this Infosys or TCS or whatsoever it may be from IT pack. I would say this entire stuff which I have mentioned over here, especially the mid cap ITs, Coforge, Mindtree, TechM, Coforge, Mindtree, LTTS, LTI, Naukri, Dixon. These are the stocks which we would have supposed to be. It could have been picked 2 days before. I think I have advised to my members as well. See where it has gone in the last 2 days. From 999, this fellow is up almost 2.5%. Sorry, 2%. Tech Mahindra. Look at Coforge from 3490. Let's assume as 3500. It has moved 166 points. Mindtree 2800 odd levels to 2900 odd levels. LTI, it was at 3800, I guess. Yeah, 3900. From 3950 to 4100. LTTS 2946 to 3060, almost 100 rupees plus. Naukri, similar stuff. Almost 120 points. Dixon, same thing. This is how you need to catch the trade before the move starts. After the move starts, you might have been missing a part of a move. So there is no point in going and chasing something. If it goes wrong, then you will be screwed. Yes. Reliance slowly creeping up. Just given a buy call on Reliance for my members. He is trying to reach the day's high once again. Let's see if he manages to take it out this time. If he takes out, then it will be moving higher. Bajaj Finance is trading in red after the stellar move yesterday. Yesterday it was like rocking like anything. Almost tested 6,000 today. 5,987.87 is the high. Almost. He almost tested. Anything above this VWAP line is good. 16100 call option. The blue line. Above that is good actually speaking. But it's not sustaining about. If you want a stop loss, then your stop loss should be day slow minus 5 points. Good morning, Ajay. Big red candle comes down, touches, and then once again it's trying to move on. Nifty, if it crosses day's high, it will be good. He is taking some rest over here. There should be one spike which needs to get pushed above this particular level, 16,139. Only if that happens, it will be good for the day. Maybe we can extend the rally till 16,200. If not, we are gone. Good morning, Anil sir. Look at the way Nifty is taking breather at higher levels. It went till to 125 or near, and then it came down. It's like yo-yoing here and there. Yes. Nifty is also not able to sustain above the VWAP line. That is something not good. What about these commodities? Everything is once again back to where we have started. Reliance drifts down. That's the reason Nifty is getting pulled down. Holding Bharat Forge 670 call. Let's see what are the views for Bharat Forge, levels for Bharat Forge. Bharat Forge. Let me open my default chart setup. Bharat Forge. This is the chart setup. 10 moving average crossing over the 20 moving average, and we are above the 10, 20 and 50 moving average right now. Your stop must be 650. If that holds, you can hold on to your position. The initial target will be 675, and then if it closes above 675, we can even see 700 in this series. friends, if you have any questions, you can ask me. Since we have started the session late, we try to have for some more time. What's this? Nifty is not sustaining at higher levels. Bank Nifty is also taking a breather. But on any situation, Bank Nifty 34,500 put carries a very high rating on put side, which means that will act as a superb support. Please suggest some stocks for buying in SIP mode. Already holding Titan, IRCTC, LIC of India. All three are very good. View on Reliance at current levels. You very well know that I hate Reliance, madam. Reliance is a trading stock and it is a operator favorite manipulated stock. So I don't suggest people to go long for a very big long term in Reliance. Because I don't know why I hate that stock, but I hate that stock. That is the direct answer for you. ONGC and Reliance both have negative news because of the new tax implementation by the government. Government has said that they will review that taxes every 15 days and then revise if required. We don't know what is going to happen upon that thing. Petroleum stocks are always high yielding dividend stocks. BPCL, HPCL, IOC, all three are high dividend yielding stocks. If you want to play for dividends, you can go with all these stocks. You will get more dividends than what you earn in a year. Very rarely these stocks move very on in very big note, but whatever it pays, it happens. The company will pay you dividends. That's really good. Reliance at current level is a trading bet, ma'am. I don't know about long term for Reliance because I hate that company as I said earlier. It's a trading bet. 2360 will be your stop loss. It can reach 2500 or even 2600. The problem with the information with Reliance is ahead of 2 weeks to 3 weeks ahead of results, they will float all kind of positive newses from the management side. So it will automatically take the stock higher. At current level, if you are okay for a 30-35 point stop loss, you can easily go ahead and hold your take a position and hold it for minimum targets of 2500 on or before results. Most probably results will come in third week of the quarter, but unfortunately last time they have given results delayed, so I don't know whether it will come exactly as expected. Yes. Now banks have started drifting lower. Let's see whether the momentum is gathering towards downside. Reliance, if you are holding in your portfolio, nothing wrong in it, ma'am. I personally don't like that stock. That is the reason I am not recommending it for long term. But according to market men, Reliance is a good stock. Good stock in the sense it has the highest weightage counter of Nifty. One of the it is the biggest company of Indian markets. Likewise, everything. Since I personally don't like it, I don't recommend it. That's it. Nothing wrong if you are holding it. Sorry guys, feeling very hungry. Had some chips. Reliance neither going down nor going up, but it is staying stagnant. Look at the consolidation here. As per charts, he must go up. He must go up. Let's see. Um, what's your view on Nifty for medium term to long term? Long term, it will move up only. It will not come down. Okay. Whatever the hiccups, one thing is for sure, madam. If you ask me, Nifty will go to, not ask me, if you ask anyone in the world, what is the worst case scenario for Nifty? They will answer 0. That is the maximum extent. It will not go and close at -1. Not even 0.0001% possibility to close at -1. But if you ask anyone whether Nifty will reach 35,000, 25,000, 50,000 or even 1 lakh, everybody will say yes, but it will take its own sweet time. Time alone is the concern here. Long term, I expect long term in the sense, by meaning for me, it's minimum 10 years. Okay, long term, minimum 10 years. In 10 years from now, I will not get surprised to see Nifty at 40,000 plus. Sensex will be hovering around 1.5 lakhs plus. Shall we add Nifty Bs and IT Bs? Instead of IT Bs, go with Bank Bs. IT Bs is also good, but instead of that, you can go with, or even you can add Bank Bs. Do it as SIPs, just 3 or 4, 3 to 5 quantities every month. Just do it as SIPs. Nifty Bs can, these Bs can be started at any moment. Don't worry whether Nifty cracks 5,000 points or Nifty rushes up 5,000 points. Never worry about it. You can start at any point in time in these Bs if you are doing as SIPs. Friends, do you have any questions? Please do post. We will look at the charts and then get it answered. Holding Vedanta 240 call option 4.7. Sir, metals, everything is weak, sir, actually speaking. Anil, everything is weak right now. Uh, the lot size is bit high in Vedanta, I guess. Let me see. I think it is 1900. Yeah, 1500. So 1500 means 1550. Approximately your loss will be 7500 rupees if you are holding it right now. There should be a dead cat bounce in metals which will fire across all cylinders. If you are willing to go as a hero or zero, then you can hold on to this trade. If my guess is right and metal started firing, this stock will easily reach 250. And moreover, I don't know the last date for inviting bids for selling their Tuticorin plant. If there is some bidder for that Tuticorin plant, definitely this stock will surge because the plant is not operational now. If someone is willing to buy that in non-operating plant, a huge burden will get reduced from the management. So there are good chances it can fire if they find a bidder. No matter about the price, the price might be little bit lower, but if there is a bidder, instead of having something which is not operational and which is not giving any positive returns for the company, they would sell it at a small discount also. Once again, Reliance picks up. Bank Nifty cracks again. Look at the way. Actually, this is the pair which I have given to my members. I don't know whether it will work or not, but something said me like we will go with this pair. Whatever happens, we'll see it. And I have given targets also for both the ends. I have suggested members to place the targets. If it executes, then okay. If it's not, then fine. Let's see. Guys, if you have any questions, you may ask me through message. Even though commodities opened at the high, none has crossed the high which has made in the first 5 minutes. Aluminium, I mean zinc, aluminium alone has crossed. Why? Because it didn't open the steep gap up like others. Look at the way copper 657 he did. Now he is trading around 651. It was a sweet shot at the opening with higher stop loss, but we haven't taken it. Just saying. Nifty once again trying to go to the highs of the day. Let's see if he can take it out this time. Because the earlier one attempt failed. This was the high made. First attempt failed. Then now it is trying to do the second attempt. If this succeeds, then fine. Let me see what is the bid up. Just a minute, guys. Going down, coming up, going up, coming down, going up, coming down. Happens. As I said earlier, only if it takes out days high, we could see some bullishness. But if it takes out days high, what will happen, right? It will move fast. Guys, if you people don't have any queries, we can wind up the session. I'll just wait for another few more minutes. Fantastic bet on TCS has been missed. Now, let me see what are the mid cap IT companies doing. 616. Guys, we are nearing 12. Since nobody has raised any questions for the last 30 minutes, 20-30 minutes, I assume that no questions for everyone. We will wind up the session. We'll catch up tomorrow if time permits. Have a good day, friends. Bye for now.